Hello everyone, this is my presentation about use of social media for job search. This presentation is meant for young adults and job seekers of any age. If you hate social media, then think again. The internet and social media provide people with a range of benefits and opportunities to empower themselves in a lot of ways. People can maintain social connections and support networks that otherwise wouldn't be possible. They can access more information than ever before. The communities and social interactions they form online can be invaluable for developing their self-confidence and social skills. Social networking services can be used for organizing activities to showcase an issue, to developing personal skills, such as the ability to make, develop, and keep friendship. Social networking services rely on active participation from its users. This supports creativity. Social networks also encourage discovery. They can help people develop their interests and find other people who share the same interests. Managing an online presence and being able to interact effectively online is becoming an increasingly important skill in the workplace. Being able to quickly adapt to new technologies, services, and environments is already regarded a highly valuable skill by employers and can facilitate both formal and informal learning. In order to be successful in today's job search, job seekers need to stay up to date with how employers source and recruit talent. When job seekers understand the logic recruiters and hiring managers use, they can present their qualifications in a better way. Hiring professionals look for more than specific qualifications. They want proof of work and they want to learn about a candidate's motivation and personality before the interview. Social recruiting involves using social platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter to search for talent or to advertise for job openings. Social recruiting does not mean that candidates are being hired on the spot basis. It only is used to screen and research candidates as part of the recruiting process. Employers are evaluating candidates' online content to help assess skills and personal qualities beyond what can be found on the resume or in the cover letter. Employers will go to any social network where they know they can find the talent they are looking for. LinkedIn is the go-to professional network and the obvious first choice, but many recruiters turn to Facebook due to the large number of active users. Other social networking sites recruiters turn to include Twitter, code-sharing sites such as GitHub, and newer sites like Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat. Finding a new job involves more than just applying for posted jobs. You can use social media in your job search for researching companies, researching company culture, researching hiring managers, researching people you know who can introduce you to the hiring managers. Savvy job seekers can tap into this research to improve how they target their resume and prepare for interviews. Knowing how to manage your social media identity lets you project a positive image. It also helps reduce the impact of any inappropriate information about you that may appear online. Make sure your personal profile looks professional. You can also create a separate work profile and limit access to your personal profile. Consider joining related online groups to keep up with the posted information. Social media can help you network, find jobs, and increase your online presence. These are all great ways to support your search for work. Use social media to showcase your skills and the image you want to project. It's an up-to-the-minute format employers will notice. So, are candidates on social media? Research says 67% candidates use Facebook as compared to 35% on Twitter. 59% use social media to research companies, and 48% use social media in the search for their most recent job. Let's compare Facebook with LinkedIn. 87% recruiters use LinkedIn, but only 55% use Facebook. And 83% candidates are active on Facebook and 36% are active on LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn and why should you be on it? LinkedIn is the largest professional network site. It provides a way to connect with other professionals. It can help you stay in touch with millions of other users. It is used strictly for exchanging ideas, knowledge, and employment opportunities, and it's one of the leading tools to expand networks and finding a job. What should be on your LinkedIn profile? It's the first website to show up in search engine results, therefore it's a great tool to establish your online presence and connect with professionals. You can include traditional professional information such as your education, expected graduation date, work experience, college awards, clubs, and hobbies. But rather than just listing this information, LinkedIn allows you to expand on each point. You can share projects you're particularly proud of. You can also include a headshot, though it should not be a selfie or other kind of a casual image. You want to present yourself as a polished professional, and you should dress the way you want for a job interview. One of the best features of LinkedIn is the ability to include references and recommendations. If you have past professors or managers who appreciated your work, you can request that they submit a recommendation, which will show up on your profile for prospective employers to see. If you do this, be sure to have each reference say something different about your skills and work ethic. Listing a job on LinkedIn requires a fee, which does eliminate the scam job, so it's worth it. LinkedIn also makes it easy to research the company you're interested in, and you can even connect online with the hiring managers to discuss the role via LinkedIn in-mail services. Let's tweet about Twitter now. The brands and people you engage with on Twitter directly impact your followers' perception of you and may affect whether hiring managers believe you're worthy of working for the company. When you're looking for a job, a good percentage of your tweets, retweets, and replies should focus on topics that are relevant to the companies you want to work for. You can achieve this by using keywords and hashtags that professionals in your field talk about and follow. Twitter can also be used to identify leaders in an organization that you're interested in joining. By following them and retweeting their tweets, you can get their attention. Engage in Twitter chats that are relevant to the industry you want to work in. This is a great way to network with existing professionals already in those fields. Follow them to begin building a rapport together and cement yourself as an expert. Job search with Facebook. Before you start using Facebook to your advantage, you need to make sure it's not hurting your image. Be sure to delete or untag yourself from any questionable post or picture. Once your page is clean, you should only post appropriate content. Make sure you're posting content you'll be proud of in the next few years. Keep control of your privacy settings, and if you're out partying, enjoy the moment and leave your phone by your side. Keep some information public, such as your employment information, location, and professional skills. You should be searchable to hiring managers. It's always a good idea to engage with industry leaders and portray yourself as a thought leader on all social media platforms. A great way to achieve this on Facebook is by commenting and contributing to industry-specific Facebook groups. These groups can do quite a bit for you. They can assist you and propel you in developing yourself professionally. They can connect you with other individuals in your field and or get you closer contact with an organization that is looking for a talent just like you. Use social media to build yourself as a brand. While each platform serves a different purpose, it's also important to have a consistent voice and style throughout all your social media profiles. Be sure to have a clean and consistent social media presence. Don't just share stuff just for the sake of sharing. Before posting, ask yourself, does this add value to my personal brand? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something about how to use social media for job search.